When I graduated from high school in 2009, I was going to a community college in Washington, and I wasn't supported. I didn't even know about TRIO. A previous advisor had mentioned TRIO because I had asked about potential tutoring, and I was interested in finding resources for someone to help me. They mentioned TRIO, and I thought, okay, well, I'll check it out. And there was a multitude of things that they offered, even beyond tutoring.
TRIO genuinely cares about all of their students, and I think any student coming into SWOCC should consider TRIO.
I like having a place that I can just have a quiet place to go to study.
Basically, it's given me a secure plan to actually know what I'm in college for. They offer advising, mentoring, tutoring, and even workshops, and those all help you learn about different things that are necessary.
So TRIO has been like a little community for me. Not only that, but they've helped me with financial resources, such as borrowing books from the lending library, scholarship paperwork, financial aid, guidance.
You'll be surrounded by a bunch of people who understand what you're going through.
They take a lot of stress off of your shoulders. Especially in college, you have a lot of stress going on because it's like the first time, it's pretty big. And they care about you here and they just want the best for you.
It's definitely helped make me feel like, I'm not the only messed up one out there in the world, that there are plenty of me and, I can make it and don't have to struggle through it.
One thing about TRIO is TRIO makes the chaos of transitioning to a four-year university make sense and less confusing, and getting helped with that is it's essential and priceless as well.
We work with all kinds of students in the TRIO program, from students who are coming directly out of high school to students returning after raising a family and everything in between. We kind of just meet students where they're at and provide them the services that they need to meet their goals. I feel like we work really hard to help students develop as students, but also as a person, to sort of be more self-aware. We do a lot of advocating for students who kind of run into challenges. I think TRIO works because we take a holistic approach to student services. We look at all of the students' barriers and challenges and work to overcome them one at a time. And we really care about our students here, and I think the students can feel it.
It is possible. It feels impossible. It is possible, but there's resources available. People will help you. You have to be proactive. I would say, just one step at a time. Don't be afraid. Use your resources, and you can do it.
You don't know unless you try. And honestly, I was scared, but it was a lot more manageable than I thought, especially having an advisor that has your back.